Why would I stick my finger up your bottom if you couldn't name 7 bald men apart from Yul Brynner? That is one of the oddest questions I've ever asked anybody.
I can name 7 bald men easily.
You can. Well, then I won't have to put my finger up your
Ross
bottom.
Kemp, and then
Ross Kemp.
Kojak. And
Kojak,
not
Telly
him.
Savalas. No, you can't mention him yet.
Does Kojak and Telly Savalas count as 2?
Blofeld.
No, that's Blofeld. That was... Yes.
That's 3, and I'm actually now struggling to name any more.
Well, I may have to put my finger up your bottom.
Duncan Goodhue. Did you have Duncan Goodhue?
Duncan Goodhue would count as bald.
famously
Yeah,
bald.
Matt Lucas.
It's not... Yeah, Matt Lucas is pretty bald.
We're terrified. We've got to get this out.
I'm not going to put my finger up any of your bottom.
I wouldn't be playing.
That guy over there is
I don't think you've named him, have
I thought you meant you wanted me to put my finger up.
Willie Thorne? Sorry.
Where Willie Thorne? Sorry. It's very good.
I know you're supposed to put your finger up the dog's bum if it's biting you and won't let go.
I didn't know that. I didn't know that.
Yeah, bull terriers, dogs like that. Because their jaws lock, the only way you can make them release it...
Well...
Finger up the bum.
OK.
Well, no, you can use a stick or other implement. It doesn't have to be... The dog doesn't go, is that a pen? I'm not releasing it.
I think it would show considerable sang-froid to take out a pen while a dog is trying to your arm. I'll remove... No, not the fountain pen, just the bic.
But to be fair, the dog, in my scenario, is also a talking dog. Right? So that's true. To do, go, you've been on your holidays. Well, the thing is... No!
Joke, and you go...
Oh!
Yeah, there you are. OK, good. That's nice. But coming back to your sensible supposing you had this problem that I wanted to cure, one of the ways to cure it might be to get you to name 7 bald men. Another way might be to make you drink a glass of water while a friend plugged your ears. Hiccups. There are many supposed cures for hiccups. Thinking of bald people, it does something to your brain that apparently can help you. But there is only one absolutely surefire medical way of stopping hiccups, and that is...
Death.
Digital rectal massage, i.e. putting a finger up a bottom and having a bit of an old wiggle.
I never knew that the bottom was a passage to so many cures. I thought it was just
when you say
spelling excrement, but no.
When you say digital rectal massage, was there a point where it changed from analogue? I remember because I think there was a big campaign on the TV at the time.
Yes.
And they were going...
People going, oh, no, it's not a very good signal.
It's not as warm.
Get up on the roof and adjust the area where...
I'll tell you what...
Hurry up,
I'll tell you what, I can't wait till 2012.
It's somehow colder, isn't it, the digital? It's not as warm as the analog.
Yeah, but it's a lot more vivid.
It is more vivid.
Thank you for watching. Do remember to subscribe to the QI channel and click here to watch more videos. Well, please, come on.